All right, let's dive right in. We're going to tackle a problem I know a lot of you have faced. You need a US phone number, but you don't have one. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get one, and not just any number. This one is totally free and it's permanent. So let's do this. So, you've been there, right? You're trying to sign up for some cool new app or maybe verify an account, and bam, you hit a wall. Please enter a valid US phone number. It's so frustrating. Well, today we're going to solve that problem for good. And look, I'm not talking about one of those sketchy temporary services that stops working after a day. No way. We're talking about a real, legit number that's yours to keep forever. And it won't cost you a penny. Just stick with me for the next few minutes, and I promise you'll walk away with your very own US number. Okay, so here's the game plan. It's super simple. First, we'll talk about what this number actually is. Then we'll quickly go over what you'll need to get started. After that, it's account creation and then installing your new eSIM. And the best part, the grand finale, we'll make sure it works absolutely anywhere in the world. We're talking real digital freedom here. All right, first up, what kind of number are we actually getting here? Because let's be super clear on this. This is not just some temporary internet number you find online. And here's the really important part. This is a real eSIM phone number. It's not a VoIP number, voice over IP. Now, why does that matter so much? Well, it's because a ton of platforms like banks and social media are smart enough to detect and block those VoIP numbers. But this is the real deal. And that makes it incredibly powerful, especially for all those verification codes. So just think about the possibilities for a second. You can finally create that WhatsApp or TikTok account. You can get those verification codes from pretty much any service you can think of. You can even make and receive actual phone calls on it. It's like unlocking a whole new level of the internet that might have been closed off to you before. Okay, ready to get started? Before we dive into the how-to, let's just quickly gather the few things you'll need. A little prep right now is going to make this whole thing go super smoothly. First thing you need is an app. Just open up the Play Store or the App Store on your phone and search for Helium Mobile. Go ahead and get that downloaded. This app is the magic behind the whole process. Okay, next up, and listen, this part is super important if you're outside the US. You're gonna need a VPN. The source material for this explainer actually mentioned one called OVPN Spider, but honestly, any good VPN will do the job. The key thing is you have to make sure you're connected to a US server before you even open that Helium app. And the last thing you'll need to have handy is a government-issued ID. We're talking about verification here. Honestly, a passport is probably your best bet. It just seems to work the most reliably. But hey, a national ID card or even a driver's license from your country could work too. All right, you got everything? Perfect. It's time for the main event, creating your account. Let's walk through this step by step. Don't worry, this part's really straightforward. When you're in the app, you're going to see a few options. Make sure you pick the Zero Plan. That's the free one, of course. Then create your account, and when it asks for your name, put in your full legal name, exactly like it is on your ID. Now for the address. Since you're probably not in US, just use an online random address generator to get a US address. Once that's in, you'll move on to the verification step. Okay, hold on a second. I need to give you a heads up about a potential little snag here. It is super common for the ID verification to fail on the first try, especially if you're using a non-US ID. But please, do not panic. There's a really simple fix for this. So if it fails, all you have to do is tap that retry button. But this time, here's the trick. Enter all of your info, your name, your birthday, all of it, manually. Don't let your phone autofill anything. And hey, if your national ID didn't work, try using your passport instead. That almost always works. Finish up with a quick selfie verification, and you should be all set. And just like that, your account is created. Awesome. Now for the slightly more techie part, but don't worry, it's easy. We're going to get that new number activated on your phone as an eSIM. Okay, before we do anything else, I have to be really clear about this. This is a deal breaker. Your phone absolutely must be compatible with eSIMs. The digital SIM cards. Most newer phones are, but you really need to double check if your specific model supports it before you continue. So the app will basically give you two ways to do this. The automatic install is the easiest path. If you're putting the number on the same phone you used to sign up, this should work perfectly. But if that fails for some reason, or maybe you want to put the eSIM on a totally different phone, then you'll want to choose the manual install option. If you go the manual route, the app is going to give you two little pieces of information, something called an SMDP plus address, that's just the server address, and an activation code. You'll just need to punch those into your phone's cellular settings when it asks. Oh, and you might see a spot for a confirmation code. Just ignore that. You can leave it totally blank. So your eSIM is installed. You're so close. But there is one last absolutely critical step to make this thing actually work for calls and texts when you're not in the US. This right here, this is the magic switch. And that magic switch is called Wi-Fi calling. It's an incredible feature. Basically, it tells your phone, hey, for this US number, forget about cell towers. Just send all the calls and texts through whatever Wi-Fi network you're connected to. And what that means is, as long as you've got Wi-Fi, your US number is 100% active. It doesn't matter if you're in Paris, Tokyo, or anywhere else on the planet. And turning it on couldn't be easier. Seriously. Just go into your phone's settings, then cellular. Tap on your new Helium eSIM, and you'll see a switch for Wi-Fi calling. Just flip that little toggle to on, and that's it. You're done. Your US number is now ready to use anywhere in the world. And that's it. You did it. Seriously. Take a second to appreciate what you just unlocked. It's a really powerful tool to have in your digital toolkit. I mean, think about it. You now have a permanent, totally legit US phone number. It costs you absolutely nothing. It works anywhere on Earth that has Wi-Fi, and you can use it for apps, for verifications, for calls, for whatever you need. You're back in control. And that really brings us to the end of this guide. You've got the tool, and now you have the know-how. So the only question left is, now that you have this new digital key in your pocket, what's the first door you're going to unlock? Thanks so much for tuning in.